Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra system UI is not responding after update. If you updated your software and you're facing the issue that your UI is not responding whenever you try to touch or you try to move on your screen, your UI is not responding but your buttons are working. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So basically it happens when you have updated your software but there might be a software glitch, so you just have to make a force restart to fix this issue. Not make a force restart, you have to press and hold volume down and power button at the same time for almost 5 to 10 seconds here. It might take 5 to 10 seconds and then you get a black screen. Once you see the black screen, just wait for the Samsung logo here. And once you get the Samsung logo, you just have to release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a forced restart with your phone, which might take longer than usual. You have to wait for a few seconds, and after that, your phone will be restarted, and everything will be working on your phone, like your UI and your touch panel. So once your phone has been restarted, you have to wait for a few seconds here. It might take a few seconds to refresh your screen and your UI. And once you have done, you just have to swipe up and unlock your phone. Now you can easily use your phone without any issue like that. So in this way, you can easily fix if your UI is not responding after update. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.